There's nothing special about a naked chalupa. And I kept reading it, literally all the fucking windows and signs. And then I actually looked at the fucking picture of the taco, and the shell is the chicken. The chicken is the shell.
That's fucking weird.
I mean, fucking tripping.
Yo,
Yo, what the fuck is up, guys? It's Steezy, and today we're gonna go out to one of my boys' houses. He's building an LS1 engine for his S14 Kouki. First, I'm gonna go meet up with my boy ASAP Bobby Flay. It was good.
Chillin', bro.
What's up, dude? This motherfucker was out drinking heavy as fuck when we had to get up.
We're all good now.
But we are on the way. Jesus Christ.
This will be fine.
This one over here going back. Then they have this one going back, and then another one coming out right here.
Okay.
So then this thing comes around and it connects to here, and the turbo sits here, and then the exhaust you put it wherever.
that shit will be fucking crazy. Crazy power.
Fucking this gun.
You're gonna have to keep up with the RV now.
Mission Moto with the fire packaging.
Yo, seriously, what is that?
Protein. Pre-workout.
When it's like that.
Oh
you
yeah,
can choose.
these are. This is why you were having a lot of problems, right? Because of these injectors?
They were too big. And I didn't have the standalone, so I took them off and I put stock ones back on. And everything started to be fine.
Yeah.
Huh?
Give me a clutch.
Yeah.
Clutch came in clutch, bro.
Go on top of this bad boy right here.
Goodies. That flywheel though. How much is that flywheel? How much does it weigh?
Oh,
You got a lightweight one?
Light as fuck, yeah. No. I mean, compared to stock,
that's a stock. Fit this thing with a 300Z Z32 twin turbo transmission adapter I got from LOJ. It's like, well, why spend $2 more grand on a T56 that might not even last as long as the 300, which the 300, the more read up on it,
It's strong.
cheaper, it's strong, just like the T56. I got the LOJ engine mounts and transmission mounts from them. Cool. Got a couple stuff from them.
So what are your plans for the chassis? Are you gonna do 2 front end? You're gonna...
I definitely want to cut these out. Cut these out. Definitely want to do that. These are Origin Type 2 50mm over fenders and Type 2 45mm over fenders in the front. Those are Mom Motorsports dual caliper kit that I got from Injuku Racing.
Can you tell me about these headlights?
Yeah, these actually came off of Acura NSX. You see right here, the SB19, that's actually B18 from Japan, B18 C5. Mixed with the bottom end of the SB20, which in the United States is the SR20, which came from Japan. And the SB21 means it's actually an M21 caliber, so it can actually shoot quite a big rifle round, bro.
So what's up with this logo? This is the ancient Jinba Italy logo, right?
Yeah, well, what happened was they designed this car in South America, and over here they have a castle with a llama in the middle, so you can tell that it was made in Peru. Just go to load a flake, mate.
that motherfucker put me on the black road. Shit the pedals over you until they finna jig at me. Hold on, need that do back in that so I tiptoe behind my clothes, bitch. Unzip my thumb and it to the bitch on. Calling on my enemies the same place where that dick go. Fucking all loud, pussy boy, fucking shit. Acting like I was a brick door. New windows, sticks and stuff. But break my laws, but words will never hurt me. Some slick hoes might catch me froze, but soon they will deserve me.
A little bit of what I got going on right now. I am building an RB26 that'll be swapping into my S14. Right now I got the head apart. I took out the whole bottom end. Basically going to be doing a full rebuild. I got my N1 oil pump. I'm waiting on my water pump. The bottom end I'll be doing manly rods and CP pistons, which I'm waiting for those right now. Took the pistons out because when I first got the engine I compression tested it. Cylinder number 4 was at about 125, 130 psi. The rest were about 150, 160. Took the pistons out, inspected them. Piston number 4, the piston rings were seized on there, so I'm just going to go with CP pistons, which I have on the way, along with manly rod, APR hardware. I'm going to be doing APR head studs. As far as the head, I'm going to be doing probably some 264 drop-in cams, some cam gears. I'm going to get everything powder coated, make it look real nice. Got the twin turbos out here, which I'm probably not going to be using. They're in really good shape. I just want a little more power, so I'm probably not going to be using the twin turbos. Sometime in the next few vlogs you'll see me choose a turbo. I already have something in mind, but I'm not really too set in stone on anything right now. But yeah, I'll be doing an RB26 build, rebuild into the S14, and then should get shit popping after that.
Damage, the ill behavior's back once again, will the renegade master. Damage, power to the people's back once again, will the renegade master. Damage, the ill behavior's back once again, will the renegade master. Damage, power to the people's back once again, will the renegade master. Damage, the ill behavior's back, renegade back master. Renegade back master. Renegade back master. Damage, the ill behavior.
building these wheels for the past year. So right now we're about to drop off of this and get sandblasted and undercoated. Shout out to the Rack Factory. So hopefully they turn out good. This is Kim's Mark 6 Golf.
Finally able to start doing some shit to it.
Yeah, we outfitted the car with coilovers maybe a year ago.
Yeah, I mean, I got the coilovers pretty much right away.
Yeah, first things first.
But been waiting.
Yep, we're looking for a perfect set of wheels, and we found a great deal, a really great deal on some Stern Phase 2s from Japan. Pretty cool wheels, 17 inches, small size lips, so they're like perfect fitment for this car without any extreme modifications. We're originally going to polish them, but we're going to go with another coat called Super Chrome, which looks almost identical to a normal true polish.
Won't let her eyes confuse. Red lips always lie.
Just got the lips back from being powder coated. It's just like a really nice, not too shiny metal polish, which is just what I wanted. 17-inch 40-hole lip, powder coated super chrome. These are the Stern Phase 2s from Japan. Still gotta work on the barrels. Can't exactly remember the name of the color we used for the faces. I believe it was 2 different colors. The 212 SR, saving that for the RX-7.